Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you copy your Trust Wallet addresses. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to copy the Trust Wallet address, you just simply have to open your Trust Wallet application, and after that unlock the Trust Wallet. And now after unlocking the application, you will get to see the home page. Now you just simply have to decide what you would like to copy at very first, and after that you will get to see this copy button directly. Tap to that option and then you can simply select your network in order to copy and tap to this icon beside that specific network. For me, I'm copying this Bitcoin address, and after doing this it will be copied to your clipboard and you can easily paste it now. This way you can very easily copy the addresses into your Trust Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.